Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we will demonstrate how to install and pair the temperature and humidity sensor with the system. To begin, we power up the system and wait for the display to fully initialize. Once the system is ready, we navigate to the menu, then go to Settings, select Add Wave I/O, and click on Find Devices to scan for available sensors. Next, we put the temperature and humidity sensor into pairing mode. To do this, we press and hold the top button for 10 seconds until the signal indicator starts flashing. This confirms that the sensor is ready for pairing. Within a few moments, the display detects the temperature and humidity sensor and lists it as an available device. We select Add Found Device to complete the pairing process. We proceed by clicking Save and Continue, followed by Finish, and the sensor is now fully connected. Once paired, the sensor readings appear on the display. If we want to update the values immediately, we press the button on the sensor, which forces it to send the latest temperature and humidity data to the system. And that's it. The temperature and humidity sensor is now successfully installed and integrated into the system. The sensor can be used for various automation tasks such as controlling heating, ventilation, or other climate smart home functions. Great job, and thank you for watching this PIERRE Academy tutorial.